Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So, our case for today is revision, breast augmentation. No? So, revision because the patient had breast augmentation 2 years ago, then nag-contract one breast, had contracture. So, I'm going to do one breast only, unilateral. So, grade 4 contracture. When you say contracture, that's scar formation inside the breast. So, the implant is being compressed by the capsule. Ganyan siya. No? So, the breast is hard. So, we have to remove the capsule. Then, do some dissection. Then, replace the implant with another one. So, that's it. That is our case for today. We also have one case of upper blepharoplasty. So, very minor. So, that's it. So, ano tayo ngayon? Dito Atienza, floral. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with revision breast augmentation, unilateral, one side only. So, I removed the capsule because of the contracture. This is grade 4 contracture. So, it's very hard. Matigas talaga yung kanyang breast. So, now, I remove the capsule. This is the breast already, very soft. So, it's normal already. No? Just like the other breast. So, I will see her after a week. Another day, another surgery.